Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to your TV. Now, to do this, all you need to do is to get a HDMI cable and then connect it to the HDMI port of your TV and also connect to the HDMI port of your laptop. So once you have that connected, go to the remote area and you click on the source on your remote, and then you make sure you select the exact HDMI. There can be two HDMI port 1 or 2. So the exact one, you have it connected, select it, and it's going to be displaying. Now, from now on, everything I'm playing on my laptop is going to be displaying right here. So let me go ahead and open this X, right? You can clearly see it right there and also here. Now let me go ahead and click on the Google, which is my Gmail. You can see it displaying right here and also here. So this is how to connect your laptop to your PC. Let me know if you have further questions regarding this. And also, if I play any video, the output is going to be playing out from the PC. Let me go ahead and go to the home page and then play this video, and it's going to be displaying on your PC. So this, guys, is actually how it works. You can clearly see it's playing from my it's actually playing from my YouTube TV. I just reduce the volume, increase the volume.
Everything you need. Projects, chat, and knowledge in one place.
So this is what I want to show you. If you have any question regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to respond to that, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.